Hi, it's Carrie. I've chosen some of my favorite wild animals and sea animals today. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Male giant pandas have a very small penis measuring only 3 centimeters long that strangely points to the rear, and very large testicles. Chimpanzee. They copulate not only to reproduce but also with some social purposes as well. During copulation, they face each other the same as gorillas. Great white shark. This one's made by Funko. The male shark has claspers, which are extensions of the pelvic fins that are used to transfer sperm to the female and fertilize her eggs internally. Octopus. To mate, a male will insert his hectocotylus into the female's mantle cavity and deposit sperm packets inside there. Typically, the male dies within months after mating. Reproduction in chimpanzees is really quite interesting. I'll make a video soon to talk about that. Green iguana. During mating, the male approaches the female and climbs on her back, straddling her. To restrain his mate, he grips her shoulder skin with his teeth, sometimes causing wounds. The male then pairs his cloacal vent up with the female's and inserts one of his hemipenes into her cloaca. Moray eel. They reproduce by fertilization that is oviparous, when eggs and sperm are fertilized in the water outside of the womb. It's also known as spawning. Eastern chipmunk. They are polygamous. During a brief estrus period, females mate with multiple males. Wolf. They are sexually mature at 2 years old but seldom breed until they are older. In each pack, the dominant male and female are usually the ones to breed, and they prevent subordinate adults from mating by physically harassing them. Collared lizard. Like most other lizard species, they are oviparous. They lay between 2 to 11 eggs in each clutch every year. The lizards will bury their eggs in loose sand and beneath the stones that they usually bask on. Clawed lobster. The female is turned onto her back while the male lobster deposits his sperm into a receptacle in the soft carapace of the female's body by inserting his first pair of swimmerets, which are gonopods. Blue-spotted ray. Reproduction is aplacental viviparous, with females giving birth to litters of up to 7 young. Coral snake. Unlike many other venomous snakes that give birth to live young, coral snakes lay eggs. They are the only venomous snakes in North America to do so. Eastern coral snakes lay 6 or 7 eggs in the summer that hatch in early fall. Western coral snakes lay 2 to 3 eggs. Babies are born brightly coloured and fully venomous. Humpback whale. When it's time to breed, humpbacks make the longest migrations of any mammal, travelling 8,000 kilometres or more one way, travelling from the poles to the tropics in as little as 6 weeks. Lion. Over 3 or 4 days, the mating pair copulates up to 50 times per 24 hours. Hippopotamus. The animals breed as the dry season is ending, with the females selecting their mates. Hippos mate in the water. Reef squid are semelparous, that is, they die after reproducing. Females lay their eggs and then die immediately afterwards. The males can fertilize many females in a short period of time before they die as well. The eggs are laid in protected areas around their reefs. Red fox. Males and females are often monogamous, but males with multiple female mates are also known. Giraffe. They use their sense of smell to know when each other are ready for reproduction. They show their availability with physical contacts between their front legs and the female's hind legs. Sea turtles migrate thousands of miles to breeding sites. After courtship, if all goes well, the male climbs onto the back of his partner's shell and holds it with his front claws to copulate with her. This is done just under the water. Jaguar. After vocalization to advertise receptivity, they join together. Copulation is rapid and frequent with a lot of growling. Tiger. After courtship, copulation is brief and repeated frequently for 5 or 6 days. Female tigers are induced ovulators. Megalodon most likely produced live young. Please stay and watch another video with me, and I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.